Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 10 best glass whiteboards in 2022 that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. Stand-up desk store wall-mounted glass board. This high-quality product is a perfect example of exceptional build and low price. You can use both dry and wet erase markers on this glass board. Manufactured by Stand-up brand, the company sells this product with a full mounting kit for the convenience of the buyers. Also, it doesn't attain stains easily and can be cleaned with minimal effort. This product is available in 2 different sizes. There is cool green tint added on this whiteboard, providing adequate contrast and minimizing glare. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 9. Quartet Glass Whiteboard. Go for this glass whiteboard if you are looking to buy a perfect piece for office or home. It has a measurement of 48x36 and comes with a frameless edge. The Quartet brand has ensured that you have to use minimal effort for cleaning it. The manufacturer sells this product in both magnetic and non-magnetic variants. Also, they sell this glass whiteboard in many different colors and sizes to cater to the needs of various buyers. Number 8. Dapper Display Magnetic. This Dapper Display glass whiteboard deserves to be the part of this list due to its stain-resistant technology that allows the users to write and clean easily. The company sells it with a full bonus kit, including 12 rounding magnets, blue magnetic ruler, 4 magnetic eraser, long marker holder tray, and 4 market pens. Having this type of kit makes sure you don't have to buy an item separately. For the convenience of customers, it equips with removable legs so that they can mount it easily. Number 7. Ofex Mobile Dry Erase Double-Sided Magnetic Whiteboard. This Ofex whiteboard is a perfect solution for the individual who is dealing with writing problems on a cheaply made board. It has a professional touch and a measurement of 72x40 inches, making it ideal for both classrooms and offices. Furthermore, you can increase the writing area due to its reversible nature. It is best glass whiteboard, having the high-quality aluminum frame and eraser tray for keeping things. Overall, you can say that it is a complete package that can tackle all your needs comfortably. Number 6. Audio-Visual White Glass Dry Erase Board. This glass whiteboard manufactured by keeping the needs of those people in mind who don't prefer frequent cleaning and much maintenance. The Audio-Visual brand has used top-quality material that stays resistant from the scratches and stains. This product equips with a durable metal mount and wall anchors for making the process to mount pretty easier. Available in many different sizes, it comes with a lifetime warranty from the company's end. Number 5. Cozy Magnetic Glass Dry Erase Board. Made from high-quality tempered glass, this cozy whiteboard can be used in office, home, and offices with minimum maintenance and cleaning. It is a compatible product that works perfectly with neon, dry erase, and wet erase markers. Furthermore, it has a very clear writing surface and frameless design that make this board a deserving candidate for this list. Number 4. Wang Glass Whiteboard. This product from Wang is one of the best glass whiteboards for the individual who wants smoother and hassle-free writing experience. It comes with neodymium magnets, using which you can attach papers in the board. It is a movable product, having 5 universal wheels and a rounded base for easy transfer from one place to another. There are 4 PP plastic corners and an acrylic marker tray on the whiteboard for making the writing experience better. The company sells this product with a lifetime warranty that is great considering its price. Number 3. U Brand's Glass Dry Erase Board. Sold in 6 different sizes, the U Brand's glass erase board has a very modern approach and extended writing surface. One can use this product for both commercial and residential purpose without any interruption. Furthermore, this product can be shopped at a very affordable price. The company is also known to offer excellent customer service to their clients in the case of any help. You are allowed to mount this whiteboard both vertically as well as horizontally. Number 2. Everworks Modern Magnetic Frameless Glass. It is the best glass whiteboard that can be used as a perfect example of innovation, high quality, and smooth experience. This product, manufactured by Everworks, is fully compatible with all the markers and equipped with a superb surface for easy cleaning. The company has used magnetic surface on this whiteboard that makes the hanging of papers very convenient. You will get a complete mounting kit and lifetime warranty with this amazing whiteboard. Number 1. Audio-Visual Direct Magnetic Glass Dry Erase Board. If you are tired of dealing with issues like scratches, ghosting, and staining on the whiteboard, then it is time for changing your thinking and buy this audio-visual product. The measurement of this product is 45 x 60 cm, making it an ideal option for a bigger room. It is very easy to write and clean this whiteboard for the convenience of customers. You can install this whiteboard with minimal effort. The company offers a lifetime warranty on this whiteboard that shows much faith they have in their product. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.